Hey, Brian Steers, Stuker Real Estate Team, coming to you with our monthly market update for the Wildwoods. This is going to be for September 2019. We'll go ahead and jump right into it and start with North Wildwood. All right, North Wildwood, we had a total of 124 properties on the market at the end of the month. 43 new listings hit the market during the month. We had 19 properties sell. An average sale price of $331,410. Gave us a 95.35 list to sale price ratio. Again, list to sale price ratio is the percentage of sale price based on the average list price. So the average list price was $300,000 and they sold it $295.35. That's where we're going to get that number from, all right? And of those properties that sold this month, they had an average days on the market of 109. All right, moving south, we'll go over to Wildwood next. So Wildwood, September 2019. Total properties on the market, we have 217. We had 50 new listings hit the market, actually 52. I did this one day early, so it says 50, but really 52. That is an uptick of just over 20% from the month before, which is pretty commonplace this time of year. Once the fall hits, we kind of see a lot more listings hit the market. People finish the season out and say, you know, I'm done with my beach property. I don't want to do it anymore, or we're moving, or we're upsizing, downsizing, relocating, whatever that is, and they go ahead and dump the property onto the market. So we should probably see that trend continue for at least another month or two with a bigger number of listings coming on the market every month. All right, of those properties on the market, 26 sold in Wildwood for an average sale price of $192,280. List to sale price ratio there was 94.27, so roughly a 5% discount on every deal. And average days on market on those properties sold was 124. All right, moving on to West Wildwood for September 2019. We have a total of 31 properties on the market. We had 8 new come to market, 2 sold. Those 2 that sold gave us an average of $293,700. List to sale ratio of 97.93. So everything's selling pretty close to asking price there in West Wildwood right now. And an average days on the market for those 2 that sold was 96 days. All right, we'll move into Wildwood Crest, September 2019. We have a total of 184 properties listed on the market. 39 new properties hit the market. 17 sold at an average of $402,488. So that number just kind of continues to rise in the Crest. List to sale ratio, again, pretty close to asking price on this, 97.40%. So about a 2.5% discount on average. Now days on market at 286 is going to seem a little high, especially in a market that we deem to be pretty hot right now. But that number is skewed because there's tons of new construction going on over in the Crest. And there's a lot of properties that happened to close last month that were new construction to get listed before they're built or while they're being built. So it could take 6 months to build the property, 6 to 8 months to finish it, and then you have to get it up, you have to get it sold, get it to closing. So sometimes that can take 10, 12 months and really push that number out there. Actually, we did have one condo project that had been on for a couple of years, had a couple different issues with the building and getting finished and getting it there. So it had been listed for maybe 2 years, and a lot of those closed this month, so that really kind of skewed that number of 286. I expect to see that number next month come down drastically, so we'll keep an eye on that and check in on it next month. And finally, we have Diamond Beach, 21 homes on the market, 3 new listings, only 1 sold, and the price of that's going to give us our average of $405. Again, that's going to fluctuate all month to month in a town like Diamond Beach where not much sells. If a couple really high-end things sell over at the Grand at $700,000, $800,000, then you're going to have a really high average price up there. And if you have something lower end that sells in the 200s and then something a little bit higher, you're going to have something fall in the middle like 405, or the only property that sold this month, for instance, at 405. Again, the one property sold for 90.02% of its asking price, and that property was on the market for 216 days. So just to wrap it up, market continues to be strong over here in the Wildwoods. Tons of new construction going on, which is definitely driving prices and driving the market. It's great to see. It means that we're going to have continued success. Interest rates are staying low, hovering in the 3s. Is really bringing people to the table too, and figuring it's time for them to jump in and get moving. So it's generally keeping our inventory low, especially the good inventory. Days on the market are generally low, again, except for when you have anomalies like properties, like large properties with a lot of units that sat for a long time, that closed a whole bunch in 1 month like we have this month. But overall, the market's great. Values are great. It's a great time to get involved. In my opinion, this is the best town in, at the Jersey Shore. It's got the best value as far as real estate goes. You're sandwiched by towns that have 800,000 and a million plus average sales price. You can jump into towns down here for 400, one for less than 300 in the low mid twos. You can jump into all different kinds of things, condos, singles, and then still we have the free beaches. And in my opinion, they're the best beaches, especially in the Crest. Out of all the Jersey Shore towns that are right down here, they're free, they're clean, they're beautiful. You have the boardwalk, you have tons of things to do. So I think it's a great market to get into. It's a great time to get into it. I hope you found this informative. If we can help you out with any real estate needs at all, or dive a little deeper into this market info, if you're curious, feel free to drop me a message or go ahead and give me a call, 609-425-9428. Again, Brian Steer, Steer Group Real Estate Team. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next month.